Berarti nomor 16 tadi yang direction ya. Direction to another office. Clear ya?
Ya, clear. Direction.
Lesson 11-12 ada yang ditanyakan mungkin? Nggak ada?
Enggak, Kak.
Oke, aman ya kelas ini? Kita lanjut ke lesson 13. Answering detailed questions about extended conversation. Nah, detailed question nanti di luar pertanyaannya yang siapa, di mana, kapan, apa. Nah, nanti akan ada beberapa pertanyaan. Yang detailed question ini kebagi menjadi dua. Ada yang factual question. Factual question adalah pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang sudah ada jawabannya langsung kita dengar. Terus yang kedua ada inference question. Pertanyaan yang secara tersirat jawabannya nanti. Bisa nanti, what do the speakers imply about? What can be inferred from the conversation about? Saya coba baca ya, yang man-nya ngomong. My project for my filmmaking class took me 6 weeks to finish. Terus si cewek ngomong, 6 weeks? I can hardly believe it. Doesn't the teacher realize you have other classes too? Oke, dari yang sebentar ini kita udah dapat nih, ada pertanyaan kemungkinan nanti, how long did the man's project will be? Ada, berarti jawabannya nanti 6 weeks. Terus nanti mereka kelas apa nih? Kelasnya film making. Oke.
Listening exercise 13.1. Questions 1 and 2. Listen to portion 1 of conversation A.
I just read an article in a magazine that talked about different types of exercise. Guess what kind it recommended?
Let's see. Was it jogging?
No. According to the article, jogging can cause leg and foot injuries for some people.
Number 1. From what source did the woman get her information about exercising?
Oke, tadi bilang ya, baca artikel di magazine.
Number 2. According to the woman, what is one of the disadvantages of jogging?
Kenapa tadi joggingnya?
Bravo.
Bravo.
Oke, it can cause injuries. Good job ya.
Questions 3 and 4. Listen to portion 2 of conversation A.
Then what kind of exercise did the article suggest?
Cross-country skiing. The article said cross-country skiing exercises almost all of the muscle systems of the body, and that it's good for the heart and lungs.
Cross-country skiing. I would never have guessed that. Tell me, how is cross-country skiing different from downhill skiing?
Well, for one thing, you don't have to go to the mountains to go cross-country skiing. You can go anywhere there's snow.
Number 3. What form of exercise did the article recommend?
Tadi rekomendasikan apa? Downhill
Cross
skiing?
country skiing.
C.
Oke, C. Cross country skiing. Tadi jelas banget ya, disebut beberapa kali. Terus dibandingin lagi nih, apa bedanya sama downhill
Oke.
skiing?
Downhill skiing.
Oke.
Number 4. What can be inferred about cross-country skiing from this conversation?
Kesimpulannya apa kira-kira?
Charlie.
Oke, kenapa pakai Charlie?
Charlie. Karena tadi katanya kalau cross country skiing nggak perlu ke gunung, mountain.
Oke, nggak perlu ke gunung, berarti bisa dilakukan di area yang datar. Oke, good ya, Kak Una. Coba nomor 5.
Flat.
Questions 5 and 6. Listen to portion 3 of conversation A.
But what if there isn't enough snow to go skiing?
The article said that there are exercise machines that provide almost the same kind of exercise. The only problem is they're fairly expensive.
I see. So if you have one of these machines, you can get the best kind of exercise and not even get your ears cold.
Number 5. What does the article suggest people do if there isn't enough snow for skiing?
Kalau nggak banyak saljunya, kira-kira ngapain? Alpha, Bravo, Charlie?
Alpha.
Oke, Alpha. Use cross-country ski machine. Good. Tadi dia yang menghasilkan salju ya.
Number 6. What is one disadvantage of a cross-country skiing machine?
Alpha.
Oke. Di expense. Berarti di biaya ya permasalahannya.
Yeah.
It's fairly expensive.
Questions 7 to 8. Listen to portion 1 of conversation B.
You look exhausted this morning, Steve.
I am pretty tired. I stayed up nearly all night getting ready for a midterm exam this morning.
Have you gotten the results of the test yet?
Yes, and unfortunately, my grade could have been much better. No matter how much time I spend studying, I never seem to do well on tests.
Number 7. Why is Steve tired?
Dia capek karena
Alpha.
he stay
Alpha.
up
He stayed up most of the
of
night.
the
Alpha.
night. Ya, begadang ya, hampir semalaman. Kenapa yang Bravo salah?
All morning. All morning.
Oke, good. All morning. Tadi bilangnya
Dia
all.
belajarnya malam.
Oke, good
Belajar
ya.
malam, ya.
Jangan kecoh.
Number 8. How does Steve feel about the grade he received on the test?
Bravo.
Semuanya Bravo?
Alpha.
Alpha. It was an improvement.
Dia kayaknya kecewa karena tidak berkembang gitu. Tidak berkembang nilainya gitu. Tidak lebih baik nilainya.
Dia kecewa karena nilainya nggak berkembang. Berarti bukan alpha dong.
It was oh yeah.
Iya nggak? It was.
Sorry, improvement salah betul.
Oke, paling N-nya dibaca no deh tadi ya. Oke, yang alpha bukan ya, soalnya kebalikannya justru. Itu nggak berkembang nilainya.
Iya, Bravo.
Oke,
It
Bravo.
was this
Good.
point. Iya, Bravo.
Dia kecewa tadi. It could be much better. Seharusnya lebih
Questions 9 and 10.
gitu.
Listen to portion 2 of conversation B.
You know, Steve, if I were you, I'd consider taking some of the seminars offered by the Study Skills Center.
The Study Skills Center? Never heard of it.
Well, it's run by a group of graduate students and professors who help undergraduate students improve their study techniques. See, last semester, I had to do a research paper for a sociology course, but I had no idea how to collect research materials until I took one of the seminars at the center.
Number 9. Who are the Study Skills Center's seminars designed to help?
Mereka mau bantu siapa?
Alpha.
Oke, undergraduate student. Yang inisiasikan, yang ngasih materi adalah teacher sama graduate student. Graduate student ya tadi. Oke.
Ya.
Number 10. How was the woman helped by the seminar that she took?
Alpha.
He learned how to do research. Oke, dibilang ya tadi gimana dia belajar untuk research. Yang lain tadi dengar nggak? Yang lainnya gimana tadi?
Iya, dengar ada researcher ya.
Dapat
Iya,
ya poinnya.
dengar kata researcher.
Dapat.
Questions 11 to 13. Listen to portion 3 of Conversation B.
What kind of seminars does the center offer that could help me?
They have one on test-taking skills. There's also a seminar that teaches you to manage your time efficiently. You should find that useful, I should think.
You're probably right. Where is the center?
They hold most of their seminars in the library, but the main office is in Staunton Hall, right across the quadrangle from the physics tower.
You know, I think I'll go over there right now.
Why don't you wait until tomorrow? Right now, you should go home and catch up on your sleep.
Number 11. What is one type of seminar that the woman thinks Steve would find useful?
Yang bisa diambil sama Steve adalah
Charlie.
Oke, dibilang tadi ya test taking skills.
Test taking.
Good.
Kayaknya share screen-nya boleh? Minta tolong.
Masih? Kenapa nggak kelihatan ya tadi?
Udah, Kak.
Oke.
Number 12. Where is the Study Skills Center's main office?
Main office-nya di mana?
Bravo.
Charlie.
Oke. Charlie atau Bravo?
Charlie.
Bravo.
Oke, deh, Bravo dan Charlie.
Seminars in the library, but the main office
What seminars does the center offer that...
efficiently. You should find that useful, I should think.
You're probably right. Where is the center?
They hold most of their seminars in the library,
Oke, hampir semua seminarnya di library.
but the main office is in Staunton Hall, right across the quadrangle from the physics tower.
Oh
You know,
iya.
Oke, tapi main office-nya di Staunton
Si
Hall.
Sound.
Charlie.
Terus
tadi.
dari Physical Tower. Oke. Tadi Physical Tower cuman jadi acuan doang ya.
I think I'll go over there right now.
Why don't you wait until tomorrow? Right now, you should go home and catch up on your sleep.
Number 13. What does the woman suggest Steve do next?
Steve harusnya
Get some sleep. Get some sleep.
get some sleep. Tadi dibilang catch some sleep ya.
Ya.
Oke.
Questions 14 and 15. Listen to portion 1 of Conversation C.
Hello, Roger. You're looking thoughtful today. What's on your mind?
Well, Margie, you know the public television station is having an auction to raise money. They need to build a new transmitter tower so that viewers can get a clearer picture. I watch that channel a lot. I'd like to help out, but I don't really have anything to donate to the auction, and I can't afford to buy something new.
Why not donate a service?
What do you mean?
Well, Roger, you're an experienced carpenter, right? Why don't you offer 2 hours of your carpentry work for free to whoever makes the highest bid?
Number 14. Why is the television station trying to raise money?
Untuk
Charlie.
Charlie.
Oke, Charlie, kenapa tuh?
Charlie.
Their broadcast. Tadi ada kata apa?
Ya, tadi ada kurang jelas apanya, Gus. Sinyalnya
Oke.
apanya gitu.
Clearer picture, gambar yang lebih jelas.
Number 15. What does the woman suggest that Roger do?
Bravo.
Bravo.
Oke,
Sama.
donate his service. Tadi dibilang ya, kenapa kamu nggak donasiin aja servis kamu?
Questions 16 and 17. Listen to portion 2 of Conversation C.
That's a great idea. Thanks. And say, I know you watch some shows on that channel yourself. Why don't you donate a service too?
You know, I'd like to help, but I have final exams coming up, so I'd better not make too many commitments. But I will come to the auction, and I'll bring my parents with me. I know they'd like to get some expert carpentry work done.
Number 16. What excuse does the woman make for not donating a service?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Charlie, tadi bilang ya, kan kamu suka nonton juga di ini. Kenapa kamu nggak yang lakuin sendiri? Karena dia bilang dia ada ujian ya. Dan dia nggak mau ngelakuin komitmen yang lain. Oke, Charlie.
Number 17. What does the woman imply about her parents?
Orang tuanya dia,
Bravo.
Bravo, kemungkinan akan suka ya dengan servisnya si cowok.
Iya. Bravo.
Nanti akan bayar.
Bravo.
Oke. Ini masih ada nih 12 soal lagi. Mau besok aja atau mau sekarang?
Sekarang.
Oke, semangat banget. Yang lain gimana? Masih semangat?
Semangat,
Oke.
Kak.
Oke, kita coba beberapa soal aja ya.
Oke.
Exercise 13.2. Questions 1 to 5. Listen to two students talk about a trip to California.
So, Rebecca, what did you do for spring break?
I went to Southern California. I was in Los Angeles and San Diego. Oh, and I stopped in San Juan Capistrano. That's south of Los Angeles and north of San Diego. I happened to be there just about the time the swallows returned.
Oh, I've heard about that. They always return on the same day, don't they?
That's right, on March 19th. And they always fly away on the same day, October 23rd. In the meantime, they migrate over 7,000 miles to get to their winter homes.
7,000 miles. Imagine. And always coming back on the same day.
Yes, except for 1 year, a long time ago, they were delayed for a day by a storm at sea.
So what's the town of San Juan Capistrano like?
Oh, it's a pleasant little town. Once there was a famous mission church there.
Once? What happened to it?
It was destroyed by an earthquake almost 200 years ago. But there is an old adobe church that survived. The swallows build their nests in the walls and towers of that church.
You sure were lucky to be there on the one day of the year when the swallows return.
Well, I wasn't there exactly on that day. I got to town a couple of days later, but I did see the parade celebrating the swallows' return.
They have a parade? The people there must really like those swallows.
Sure, they bring lots of tourists to town, and besides, the swallows eat insects, including mosquitoes.
Number 1. Where is the town of San Juan Capistrano?
Itu ada di antara Los Angeles sama San Diego ya. Tadi dibilang sebelah utaranya apa, sebelah selatannya apa.
Number 2. What can be inferred about the swallows mentioned in the conversation?
Charlie.
Oke, Charlie. Itu
Ya,
tipikal
Charlie.
burung ya.
Ya,
Burung.
Kan
Ya,
terbangnya,
burung.
karena mereka terbang ya.
oke, terbangnya tinggi banget tadi disebutin.
Number 3. When do the swallows return to San Juan Capistrano?
Return-nya pas
March ya. Alpha bukan?
Oke, March ya kalau kembalinya. Kalau terbang perginya bulan?
Charlie, Oktober.
Oke,
Oktober.
Oke, 2
Oktober.
bulan itu
Kalau
soalnya.
pulang
Antara Maret, Oktober.
Maret. Oke, berarti Alpha, good.
Number 4. How far do the swallows migrate?
Charlie.
Number 5.
Paling jauh, tadi dibilang ya, 7,000. Sampai si cowoknya kaget ya. 7,000? Dia ngomong gitu lagi ya.
Ya,
Oh.
Charlie. Yep.
Charlie, good.
Which of the following did Rebecca see?
Di Rebecca ngelihat apa tadi? Dia lihat keberangkatan atau kepulangan nggak?
Enggak.
Enggak ya, tapi dia bilang, tapi aku cukup beruntung soalnya
Bravo.
ngeliat parade ya, ada paradenya. Ya, semuanya dengar tadi yang ada parade-nya?
Iya, ada sih, ada.
Dengar,
Ada.
Kak.
Oke. Lanjut nih, coba satu lagi ya.
Question 6 to 8. Listen to a conversation that takes place on a college campus.
I'm here for the campus tour.
I'm sorry. We only offer a guided tour during the first week of classes.
Oh, really? That's too bad. I was really hoping to get a good orientation. Last week, I spent nearly an hour trying to find a classroom in the Fine Arts Building.
You know what you can do? You can take the self-guided tour. This pamphlet tells you exactly what to do, where to go, and what to look for. And it has a complete map of the campus.
Sounds easy enough. Where do I start?
The first stop is right here, in the Student Center building. Then you go next door to the Science Building. There's a great planetarium there, by the way. And from there, you go to the University Recreation Center. After that, just follow the directions in the pamphlet, and you can't go wrong.
Number 6. When is the guided tour of the campus given?
Kampus
Alpha.
The
Alpha.
first week of
Alpha.
Oke, tadi disebutin juga ya first week, terus dibilang ada orientation. Alpha.
Number 7. What did the man have difficulty locating the week before?
Nah, minggu lalu dia susah tahu tempat apa?
Classroom. Bravo.
Bravo, classroom ya tadi.
Number 8. Where does the self-guided tour start?
Bravo.
Bravo, yang lain?
Yang student center building.
Bravo, betul.
Oke, tadi mulainya
Student Center
di
Building mulainya di Student Center,
Student
kemudian
Center
baru ke
Building.
Science Building,
Oke,
baru ke
good.
Science, baru ke University. Urutannya
Oke,
gitu.
berarti
Bravo.
2, 1, 3 ya. Nah, bravo.
Ya.
Satu lagi nih, mau lanjut atau besok?
Lanjut.
Oke, kelarin.
Semangat.
Ntar ujungnya sampai lesson 14 kita nih.
Questions 9 to 12. Listen to the following conversation.
Hi, Helen. How did your driving test go? Did you get your driver's license yet?
So far, I've just taken the written test. I did well enough on that, but I still have to take the road test.
I remember when I took the road test a few years ago. The first time I took it, I failed.
You failed? But you're such a good driver. What happened?
Well, I took a left-hand turn from the right lane, and the examiner told me just to turn around and go back to the testing center. It was pretty embarrassing.
My big problem is parallel parking. I just can't seem to get a car into those little spaces.
If you like, we can go out in my car before you take the road test and practice parallel parking.
That would be great. I've just got to get my license. I can't believe that I have a car that my parents gave me just sitting in my garage, and I can't even drive it.
Number 9. What did Helen recently pass?
Dia baru aja lulus.
Charlie.
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 Written test. Good.
Number 10. What problem did the man have when he took his road test several years before?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Oke, tadi tentang belokannya ya yang salah.
Ya.
Number 11. What does the man offer to do for Helen?
Bravo.
Bravo.
Oke, kalau kamu mau, aku bisa nih nemenin kamu belajar. Temenin latihan ya.
Number 12. Why can't Helen use the car in her garage?
Bravo.
Oke.
Bravo.
Dia bilang ya, aku nggak tahan nih lihat mobil terparkir tapi nggak bisa dipakai. Oke, dan ada pertanyaan sampai lesson 13?
Aman, Kak?
Aman?
Aman.
Oke. Semoga aman semua ya, yang lainnya yang pada kalem-kalem hari ini. Oke, teman-teman, see you tomorrow. Kita masuk ke lesson 14 besok ya. Dadah.
Kak Enta video kemarin belum dikirim
Iya.
belum?
Belum saya upload, makasih banyak ya utang saya.
Ya, oke. Terima kasih Kak Enta.
Oke, see you teman-teman.
Kasih, Kak.
See you.
Ya.